CP3 with a season-high 37 points. He also had 11 assists. Still no James Harden for the Rockets, so obviously somebody's got to pick up the slack. Spin move, bounce pass, Ryan Anderson, and one. Imagine if he would have lifted off to dunk. That's not the type of player he is, but that's what it looked like he was attempting to do. CP3, look at these dishes. Look at that finish for the and one. He gets pushed in midair, barely even moves. Lillard back in action for the Blazers. Step back splash. Blazers trying to hang in there. They don't want to go down tonight. To end the third quarter, CP3 beats the buzzer from mid-range. He could not be stopped. The Rockets enjoying a nice lead here in the fourth quarter. Eric Gordon misses. Tip slams his own rebound. Gotta take another look at that. He's 6'3", pulling off moves like that. Lillard dancing. Gets into the lane. That's a tough layup and one. Plenty of time to make this comeback. Rockets only up by 5. Look at these moves from Turner in the lane to bring it within 3. But the Rockets and CP3, he would not go away. He continues to dance. Get in the lane. What type of layup is that? Take another look at that crazy acrobatic finish. Rockets win. There's Haley. My opponent's been attacking the flat all game long. So I put him in a flat, and then when the ball is thrown, he runs away from the play. He was terrified of tackling that guy. He just said, I'm gonna just go back over here. So I had to sell him.